Hearty welcome, students. Marvelous morning to all. God bless you. Let us start the class. Hello, children. How are you? I hope all are good. Today, we are going to learn about Unit 4 Money. Come, let's start the class. Today, we are going to learn about Unit 4 Money. Keywords: notes, coins, currencies. Recall. Roman letter 1. Shown below are the stationery items and the currency notes paid to the shopkeeper. Write the price of each of the items. See this tabular column. First one, stationery items. Second one, amount paid. Third one, price. See the first picture, color box. The amount given here, 20 rupees, 5 rupees. Price, 20 plus 5 is equal to 25 rupees. Second one, crayons. The amount given here, 10 rupees, 5 rupees. Price, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 rupees. Last one, see the picture, pen. The amount given here, 2 rupee coins, 5 rupees. Price, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 rupees. Are you clear, children? Okay. Now, we are going to learn about Roman letter 2. Muttamil wants to buy a doll and a pencil box. Guessing the price, she takes 2 sets of different denominations to purchase them. In the shop, she noticed the price tags on the things. Circle the coins that she has to pay to the shopkeeper. See the first picture. This is the doll. The price tag, 20 rupees. Here, 5 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coins. So, the price tag 20 rupees. So, 5 plus 5, 10 rupees coin. So, put the circle, 5, 5, 10. Total amount 20 rupees. See this picture. What is this? Pencil box. The price tag 18 rupees. See the coins. 10, 10, 5, 2, 2, 1. So, circle the amount, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupees. So, circle the coins, 10, 5, 2, 1. Are you clear, children? Okay. Practice. Observe the price tags. Put a tick mark for the amount to be paid. See the first picture, eraser. Price tag 1 rupee. Put the tick mark 1 rupee. Next, see the picture, sharpener. The price tag 2 rupees. Put the tick mark 2 rupees. Next, see the picture, pen. Price tag 5 rupees. So put the tick mark 5 rupee coin. Are you clear, children? Okay. Next, see the picture. This is watch. Price tag 10 rupees. First one 2 rupee coin. 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees. So price tag 10 rupees, put the tick mark 10 rupees. Next one doll. Price 20 rupees. Here 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees. Price tag 20 rupees. So put the tick mark 20 rupees. Next, tractor 50 rupees. 20 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 50 rupees. Price tag 50 rupees. So put the tick mark. Are you clear, children? Okay. Next, 4.1 Notes and coins. Travel through in the bazaar. Kuhalini and her mother went to the market. In all the shops, she saw tags with different amount written on it. She asked her mother about it. Help them purchase things within the amount they have. Let us watch the video.
Money. Rita, fruits in that shop are fresh. Come, let's go and buy there.
Yes, Daddy. They are fresh. I want apples.
Give 1 kg of apples. How much does it cost?
Rupees 50.
Okay, give. Thank you.
What do you want?
How much does 1 kilo of apple costs?
Rupees 50.
Then give me 1 kilo of apple. Take the money.
Thank you. Apples are very fresh.
Daddy, I have a doubt.
What, Rita?
You gave a single note for rupees 50. But Raju gave 5 notes for rupees 50. How it is, Daddy? I am confused.
I will explain you, darling. See here, a 50 rupee note is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10 rupees note. Or else 2 20 rupee note and 1 10 rupee note. Both are one and the same. There are many possible ways. For 35, 3 10 rupee notes and 5 1 rupee coins. We can also replace 5 1 rupee coins by 1 5 rupee note. Likewise, we can use 1 20 rupee note, 1 10 rupee note and 5 1 rupee coins or 1 5 rupee note.
How can we give for rupees 78, Daddy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 10 rupee notes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 1 rupee coins. We can also replace 8 1 rupee coin by 4 2 rupee coins or 1 5 rupee coin and 3 1 rupee coins. Or it can be 3 20 rupee notes, 1 10 rupee note, 1 5 rupee note and 3 1 rupee coins. We have some other possible ways too. Rita, now you say for rupees 89.
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 10-rupee note and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 1-rupee coins. Also, Daddy, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 20-rupee notes, 1 5-rupee coin, 4 1-rupee coins. We can also give as 1 50-rupee note, 1 20-rupee note, 2 10-rupee notes, and 4 2-rupee coin with 1 1-rupee coin. There are more possible ways to, Daddy.
Good. Tell me the total amount, Rita.
Okay, Daddy. Rupees 50 plus rupees 20 plus rupees 10. So, totally 80, which is 8 tens and 0 ones. Rupees 50, rupees 10, rupees 5 plus 5-rupee coin is equal to rupees 70. That is 7 tens and 0 ones. Here we get rupees 10 by adding 1 5-rupee note and 1 5-rupee coin.
Well done, Rita.
Rupees 20 plus rupees 10 plus 1 rupee plus 1 rupee. So, rupees 32. That is 3 tens and 2 ones. Very good, Rita. You understood very well. Yes, Daddy. My doubt is clear now. Thank you, Daddy.
Next, learn introduction of the rupees 50 currency notes. 50 rupees is equal to 5 10 rupees. See the picture. This is 50 rupees. Here 1 10 rupees, 2 10 rupees, 3 10 rupees, 4 10 rupees, 5 10 rupees. So total amount 50 rupees. Are you clear, children? Okay. Now we are going to learn about practice. Complete the table for the given amount. See the column. Here amount paid, number of 10 rupees, number of 1 rupee. Here given place value 35, 5 1 place, 3 tens place, number of 10 rupees, 3 10 rupees, number of 1 rupee, 5 1 rupee. Next 78, given place value 8 1 place, 7 tens place. So you write number of 10 rupees, 7 10 rupees, number of 1 rupee, 8 1 rupee. Next 89, place value 9 ones place, 8 tens place. So you write number of 10 rupees 8, number of 1 rupee 9. Are you clear, children? Okay. Next, calculate the amount paid. Here number of 10 rupees, number of 1 rupee, total amount paid. Here number of 10 rupees 4, number of 1 rupees 8. Total amount 49. Next, here number of 10 rupees 5, number of 1 rupee 6, so total amount 56. Next one, number of 10 rupees 6, number of 1 rupees 0, so total amount 60 rupees. Are you clear, children? Can you understand? Okay. Next, pleasure time. Write the total amount of given currency, notes and coins. Serial number 1. Currency, notes and coins, total. Number 1. See the currency. First one, 50 rupees. Second one, 20 rupees. Third one, 10 rupees. So put the number here. Total, tens, ones. First number, first total amount 50 rupees. Ones place 0, tens place 5. Next, 20 rupees. Put the number 0 here. Ones place, 2 tens place. Next, 10 rupees. 0 ones place, 1 tens place. So 0 ones place. Next, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So total amount 80 rupees. Number 2. See the currency and coins. First, 50 rupees. Second one, 10 rupees. Third one, 5 rupees. Fourth one, 5 rupees coin. So put the number here. Tens, ones. First one, 50. 5 tens, 0 ones. Next, 10 rupees. 1 10, 0 ones. 5 rupees. 5 ones, 0 tens. Next, 5 rupee coin. 0 ones, 5 tens, 0. So total 5 plus 5, 10, 0, remaining 1 here. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So put the number 7. So total amount 70 rupees. Are you clear, children? Okay. We will see you in the next class. Thank you. God bless you.